Welcome to Virtual Explore SDSU Open House 2020. Although we're disappointed that we won't be able to meet you on campus, we're excited for the opportunity to connect with you virtually. I'm thrilled to welcome you to San Diego State University on behalf of our more than 440,000 Aztecs. This is a very exciting time to be an SDSU Aztec. We are a research powerhouse and a national leader in education, with passionate faculty dedicated to providing an exceptional classroom experience. The variety of SDSU's extracurricular programs complement the rigor of our academic programs. Once you become an SDSU Aztec, you will have the opportunity to choose from more than 300 social, academic, and cultural organizations where you can hone your leadership skills and meet entrepreneurs, global leaders, and fellow students with similar interests and ideas. And who hasn't heard about the spirit and grit of the Aztecs through our nationally ranked men's basketball and our women's swimming and diving teams? Both defying expectations this year as Mountain West champions. This mantra to overcome and thrive has also been clear in the past months. I've watched our students, faculty, and staff come together and quickly adapt to changes in the way we teach and support students. From the classroom to the court and from the San Diego region and beyond, SDSU's impact is on the rise, and we hope you'll see yourself as part of the SDSU story. Go Aztecs!